Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. We have some buses on this virtual car show. Some cool lowered buses, stock buses, camper buses, bunch of different styles from early to late model. Alright guys, check it out. Got some cool colors on them, some cool patinas, a lot of cool buses. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.